Well, congratulations on the Commuter. It had me kind of cowering behind the seats in the cinema because I can't quite handle all the action sequences. Sometimes I'm a little bit squeamish.
Me too.
I mean, I can imagine doing all your own stunts as well. Was it probably?
Well, I don't do my own stunts.
Okay.
I do my own fighting.
Okay, and that looked quite intense. You know, looked.
Yeah, we Mark Vanslow, who's our stunt coordinator, we've done 19 movies together now. And we try and make these fights, we kind of root them in a reality as much as we can, and then evolve them from there, you know. I don't want to spoil it for your viewers.
Yeah.
You know, there's fights, there's a bit of physical altercation.
Yeah. But I mean, as well as that, there's also, you know, the layers in it in terms of it's about, you know, kind of an everyman, a guy who's been affected by the financial crash and who, you know, somebody who has to do whatever he can to protect his family. So, you know, kind of wanted to find out about, did that connect with you, that idea of reading the script and saying it's not just about beating people up on a train, it's about more than that?
Yeah, I think so. I mean, you know, we're reading so much now about the business, about the middle class. I live in America, I have done for 30 years now. Every day we're reading about the dissolution of the middle class, and it's the same in Britain too. Of course, we're all still worried about Brexit and what's going to happen, the middle class, all of us. But yeah, that had a reverberation for me, you know. You know, my character's 60 and his boss, who's half his age, is telling him, you're too old for the job, you know. I think people can relate to that, you know.